Stand up, grab a heavy bag, and walk across the room. Congratulations, you just solved a problem that the world's best robotics labs have spent decades failing to crack. Here's what makes this so hard. When you picked up that bag, your ankles adjusted for balance. Your hips compensated for the shifted weight. Your arms counterbalanced your stride. Dozens of joints, all coordinating simultaneously, in real time. That's whole body control. And it's the difference between a robot that demos well on YouTube and one that could actually work in a warehouse. Because real environments don't pause for robots. Floors are uneven. Loads shift unexpectedly. Obstacles appear. Boston Dynamics has spent 30 years on this, tracing all the way back to MIT's Leg Lab. When Atlas does parkour or recovers from a shove, that's not software tricks. That's physics, carefully modeled and refined across thousands of iterations. Their bet is simple: you cannot shortcut your way to robust physical intelligence. But here's where it gets interesting. Not everyone agrees you need 30 years of physics research. Sanctuary AI looked at the problem and said, forget general-purpose movement. Let's nail industrial manipulation first. They build hydraulic hands, not electric, hydraulic, which gives them higher force density and better tactile feedback. Pair that with their carbon AI control system, and you get robots designed for specific, high-value factory tasks. It's a narrower scope, but that's the point. The first humanoids deployed at scale won't be the most capable. They'll be the ones tuned for jobs that actually need doing today. Sanctuary is betting that solving the right problem matters more than solving the hardest problem. So who's actually winning right now? This is the part nobody talks about. Unitree, a Chinese company, has quietly built the most defensible position in the entire field. They manufacture motors, reducers, controllers, and LiDAR all in-house. That vertical integration lets them hit price points 5 to 10 times below Western competitors. But the real moat is subtler. Their G1 Humanoid has become the research platform. It's behind over 30 whole-body control papers in 2025 alone. When PhD students develop the next generation of control algorithms, they're doing it on Unitree hardware. That's free R&D and talent discovery at massive scale. Boston Dynamics leads on peak capability. Unitree is becoming the platform the entire field builds on. Different game, possibly smarter game. Here's the thing though, nobody has cracked the real problem yet. Current systems handle known disruptions, a shove, a tilting floor. But what about novel combinations? The floor is slick and the load shifts and there's an obstacle? Humans improvise, robots freeze, or fall, or fail in predictable ways. The company that solves graceful degradation, real recovery from the unexpected, not scripted responses, will have cracked something profound about physical intelligence itself. So why does this matter beyond robots? Because whole body control isn't really about robots. Every advance in making a humanoid balance while carrying a load teaches us something about powered exoskeletons that let paralyzed people walk, about prosthetics that move naturally, about physical therapy that knows how a body should move. The robot is the test platform. The real product is the knowledge, and that's worth racing for.